Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hello everyone, looking at natural gas on multiple time frames. So the pattern the past 3 days has been nice bullish bounces and then profit taking and bears stepping back in, and that's what these upper wicks signify. So we formed a base of a higher low. The low was 2625. We formed a low today at 2646. Looked like we were forming a bullish reversal candlestick. This technically is still a bullish reversal candlestick. It's not a very strong one. It's an inverted hammer at the bottom of a downtrend, although we did confirm a bullish reversal candlestick back here a couple days ago. So the bulls really need to hold that 2625 level. That is the line in the sand. If they lose it, we're going to see another leg to the downside. The weekly time frame is still pulling back. We are not confirming that bullish reversal doji from last week, although we are forming a higher low. The pattern has been lower lows on these pullbacks, and if we don't break that 2625 level, it will be a higher low, and we'll look to see if any momentum is to the upside. It is a bull flag at this point, which does it does indicate continuation, but as of right now, we're not seeing any follow through by the bulls. So what I'm watching is on the 4-hour chart, and there's an uptrend line here. Looking back to a couple weeks ago, we have a support here, then we hit the low, that 2625 low, and then the most recent low, that's where the rally today was based off of. And if we zoom in, we can see we bounced off that level, formed a lower high, rejecting from below 280 again, formed a higher low, maintaining this uptrend support line and breaking out of this downtrend support line, but then we saw a big pullback and giving back those gains. So a key support to watch on this 4-hour chart is down here at about 2645. And what I'm watching, it's a very interesting pattern here on the 15-minute because we keep seeing higher highs form. So we have a lower high pattern once the pullback started. There's our first higher high. Then we pulled back again, established a new base of support, and then another higher high. So we have two higher highs in a row, but the bulls are not able to keep those gains. So the bears absolutely squash any bullish attempt, and it's going to require a strong higher low to form, and 272 is a clear resistance level. We can see these levels. We topped out at 2719 and then 270, or make that 2721. So 272 is a clear resistance level. If that becomes support, we'll be looking for things to turn around in the short term. But until then, bulls are still establishing this 4-hour uptrend support line, and that is an absolute must-hold level for the bulls. Otherwise, we're heading for another leg to the downside, and the next leg to the downside, we would be looking at 2615, 260, and then down to 2555. So barely clinging on to support. We'll see if the bulls can hold gains. That's going to be a clear indication when we have a day where we close up near the high without a long upper wick. That will show strength for the bulls, but we have not seen that yet in the past 3 days. And we'll see if we can keep holding 2625 support. Inventory report coming out tomorrow should add to the volatility. I appreciate you watching. See you tomorrow.